The smartphone market is ever evolving, and Vivo continues to make waves with its latest offering, the Vivo V29 Pro, packed with features that cater to both tech enthusiasts and everyday users. This device is a testament to Vivo's commitment to innovation. Let's delve into the specifics of the Vivo V29 Pro. Design and display. The Vivo V29 Pro boasts a sleek and stylish design that seamlessly blends form and function. The device features a premium glass back with a gradient finish that catches the light in all the right ways. The build quality is top-notch, providing a reassuring heft without compromising on comfort. Turning our attention to the display, the V29 Pro sports a vibrant 6.5 inches Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080x2400 pixels. The bezel-less, notch-less design offers an immersive viewing experience, making it ideal for multimedia consumption and gaming. The colors pop, and the deep blacks enhance the overall visual appeal, making the device a joy to use. Camera. Vivo has always been at the forefront of smartphone camera technology, and the V29 Pro is no exception. The device features a versatile triple camera setup on the rear, comprising a 64MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. This combination allows users to capture stunning photos with impressive detail and dynamic range. On the front, housed within a discreet punch hole cutout, is a 32MP selfie camera. The AI enhancements ensure your selfies are always Instagram-ready, and the low-light performance is commendable. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or someone who enjoys casual snaps, the V29 Pro has you covered. Software and performance. Running on Vivo's custom Fun Touch OS based on Android, the V29 Pro provides a user-friendly and feature-rich interface. The device is powered by a robust processor, delivering snappy performance for multitasking and demanding applications. With ample RAM and storage options, users can enjoy a seamless experience without worrying about lags or storage constraints. And the Vivo V29 Pro comes loaded with FunTouch 13. Based on Android 13, gaming enthusiasts will appreciate the device's ability to handle graphics-intensive games with ease. The combination of efficient hardware and software optimization ensures a smooth gaming experience, making the V29 Pro a compelling choice for mobile gamers. Battery life. A feature that often tops the list of priorities for smartphone users is battery life, and the Vivo V29 Pro excels in this department. Equipped with a substantial battery capacity, the device ensures all-day usage on a single charge. Whether you're streaming videos, navigating through social media, or engaging in productivity tasks, the V29 Pro stands tall with its impressive battery endurance. Additionally, the device supports fast charging, minimizing downtime and keeping you connected when you need it the most. The optimized battery management system further enhances the overall longevity, making the V29 Pro a reliable companion for those who are always on the go. V29 Pro is equipped with a Vivo-branded charger which supports a charging power of up to 80 watts. The actual charging power is dynamically adjusted as the scene changes and subject to actual use. 13. The typical battery capacity is 4,600 mAh, and the rated battery capacity is 4,500 mAh. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Vivo V29 Pro emerges as a formidable contender in the smartphone arena, combining style, functionality, and performance. From its eye-catching design to the powerful camera system, seamless software experience, and long-lasting battery life, the V29 Pro caters to a diverse range of user preferences. As we celebrate the first anniversary of this remarkable device, it's clear that Vivo has once again raised the bar for what we can expect from a modern smartphone.